This just arrived. This is how it arrives. Let's open it up. In great condition here. Pull it out of the package. We can see comes in a nice zipper type plastic bag. And this is from Coofandy, and these are their kind of swim shorts. Going with the kind of cool color pattern there, and then the same thing but in a dark color pattern. These are nice. They've got nice elastic, internal lining as everything looks comfortable. Got ties with really nice ends on them. These are cool because they have pockets, nice pockets, and a zipper pocket in back. Got keys or something you don't want to have drop out. Very lightweight. These are going to be great here in Arizona. Great color combos. Great material. It's going to dry out fast and be lightweight and comfortable. I want to thank Coofandy for sending us these to check out. Can't wait to run them around in Arizona. Hope this helps.